Good morning. I'm Don. I'm with the Reasonable Realtor. I'm introducing today's article, which is about commissions and bonuses. This is an article that I think a lot of you find interesting. It's a subject in terms of how much you are going to pay a realtor to bring a buyer for your house. So it's very much a part of your cost of sale. Anyway, invite you to go to thereasonablerealtor.com. Invite you to subscribe if you want to. In fact, I would love for you to like the article at The Reasonable Realtor. I'd love for you to like this video on YouTube. If you wanted to subscribe to it, I think there is down here a red button to subscribe to the YouTube channel. To subscribe to the Reasonable Realtor, that button is on the website itself. I would love it also if you would comment on either of the two. That will give us some direction for conversation and for future movement. Anyway, like I say, this is just an introduction. Please go to thereasonablerealtor.com and check out the latest article on commissions and bonuses. Thanks a bunch. See you next time. And here is the web address. Pretty professional. Thanks.